Hello, my name is Wangari Muchiri and I'm a real estate and sustainability consultant with JLL. I'm also a board member of the Kenya Green Building Society. Thank you.
What work are you doing in the area of efficient buildings, and what has been the financial impact of the work?
So we're consulting to various clients, various developers, trying to get them to do more Green Star and LEED rated buildings, which means they have to employ sustainability measures in the buildings. We're finding that as you do this research and as you work with people, we don't have many green buildings in Africa. So the ones that we do have, we have a few in Nairobi. The ones that we do have, we have return on investments of about 3 to 9% on rental yields and about 13 to 18% on sale prices. So we find that people do buy properties and buy them faster if they're green buildings. And we find that investors are looking to differentiate themselves in this market by doing that.
What's the biggest challenge when addressing this particular issue?
Lack of information, lack of suppliers and materials that are sustainable. So people don't know what's sustainable. Everybody's claiming to be sustainable. The paint companies, the cement companies. So you want to make sure you really do your research and vet the companies that you're using. Does sustainability mean they've produced all their materials outside and just imported the final product? Hence they're using less energy, or is it fully created through a sustainable process? So it's one of those things that, kind of chicken and egg situation, because you don't know where to look first. Do you just start building green buildings and then the suppliers will come, or do you look for the suppliers and then look for the do the green buildings? So it's a really tricky, yeah.
If you're gazing into a crystal ball now,
Yes.
what would the future of real estate look like in Africa?
From my crystal ball, which is all green, it definitely would be a lot more green buildings. We have 80% of buildings not built in Africa yet. And so if you think by 2050 we're going to have 80% more buildings on the landscape, then there's so much opportunity to have green buildings, especially buildings that have renewable energy coming in. We have buildings that have, high performance glass, well designed, great daylighting, and that should just be the standard. We don't have a building code in Nairobi yet, so we're trying to work on that. And hopefully, because the Kenya Green Building Society is influencing that building code, it will inherently have sustainable measures, and that's what I hope the future will look like for Nairobi.
Final question. What's space going to give the industry?
Space is going to bring people together to discuss and share information about sustainability. I think we all have little pockets of information here and there, but now we need everyone to come together and say, how do we do this? And how do we make this a practical reality for Kenya and for Nairobi? So we're looking to bring people together in the property industry specifically to discuss green buildings and sustainability. So I think space is definitely going to be a key conference in that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.